Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your vehicles in Hill Climb Racing. In Hill Climb Racing, updating or upgrading your vehicle is key to unlocking better performance and reaching further distance. First of all, launch the Hill Climb Racing game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the Tune button from the bottom of the screen. Now from the Tune options, select what you would want to upgrade in your vehicle. Select any one option from the menu. If you want to upgrade the engine, select the Engine option, and you'll need to spend 4,000 coins to upgrade your engine. Similarly, you can also upgrade your suspension, tires, and then your 4WD. Choose any one part you want to upgrade and tap on the coin icon to spend the coin. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to upgrade your chosen vehicle. Now you can tap on Start and then complete your game with the upgraded vehicle. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.